Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we will show you how to locate and replace the fuse for exterior mirrors on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2008 to 2017, guys. We have more than 200 videos taking apart the whole car, so if you need anything, just let us know. We'll try to make a video and check the description for more details. Let me demonstrate now. I'll have the ignition on and I'll try, to adjust the left mirror. Okay, check it out. Up or down, it doesn't work at all. So we'll show you which fuse is for that. Depending on the model, it might be two fuses. So we'll cover both of them just in case, and we'll replace ours and show you how that's going to fix the problem. Stay with us. So now the interior fuse box is located behind the glove. So how you do that? You need to open the glove box, and then on each side you have a stop. One here, one on the other side. You need to squeeze the glove box towards the inside and pull it down. And those are the stops. Once you jump out of them, you need to grab the box and pull it out. Like that. You can see where the hinges are. That's where they go. The fuse box is located right here. So once you remove the glove box, guys, we need to locate fuse number 16. Number 16 is right there. It should be a 5M fuse. So this is one of them. And let's go ahead, and pull this one out and replace it, and I'll show you which other fuse it could be depending on the model, guys. So we're going to put a new one. Let's fix it. And the other fuse that could be for the mirrors, if you have a different model Fiesta, it's 25, 7.5 amp on the top left corner, right there. This is the other fuse. So with the new one in place, you just close the door, turn the ignition on. Check it out now. The mirror moves up and down, left and right. So that's how you guys fix it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.